What's going on, guys? It's Renee and welcome to an unboxing video. I had gotten a bunch of stuff of Amazon that I really needed finally, and it finally came in today, so let's get started. As much as I wanted to already have it unboxed and just show you what I got, I felt like that wouldn't be as fun, so I'm opening it right now. And this is really exciting to me. Come on. Or the tape doesn't want to go. That's off now. I'm so excited for this. Alright, this is a USB extension device. I got this for about $8 off of Amazon. I will be leaving the link to it down below, along with everything else that I show in here. But I have a lot of USB stuff, so this was really going to help with all of that. So this is what it looks like. It's a lot smaller than what it looked like in the picture, but that's not a bad thing. So I'll be able to use this for all of the USB stuff that I have. So I'm excited to use that. Next up, I have this brand new USB condenser microphone. I had really needed one since I've been using the mic off of the webcam up there, so this will be really exciting to use. So let's open this up. If it even decides that it wants to open. Lord. It doesn't want to open. There we go. It's open. And this is really exciting for me, because this was inexpensive. It was only about $30, so hopefully it'll work really well. And it came with the stand and the cord. A cover, which I was worried about. I had to double check to make sure it was actually going to come with it. And whatever this is. I don't know exactly what that's for, but we're gonna figure it out. And finally, the microphone itself It's not one of those like super expensive ones. It's not one of those like Blue or Yeti ones, so. Okay, so this is going to go in this, and then it's going to go onto here, and then this is going to go on top of that. So hopefully now I won't have to rely on the webcam. This is really exciting to me. Stick all this junk back in here. I can set that up later. Stick this to the side. And we have another microphone. I'm trying to figure out which way I gotta hold it. Okay, I gotta hold it like right here. Got a Ceremonic microphone, which I actually kind of was recommended from somebody else I watch on YouTube, Justine. This was from one of her older videos. She was explaining that it was like a really small, inexpensive mic, and I went to see how inexpensive it actually was, and it is actually really inexpensive. It was slightly less than the mic that I just showed you. It was like $25. So, if you're just starting YouTube and you need something inexpensive for, I guess, your phone, then this should work perfectly. If I can get this thing open. Jeez. Well, if anything, I just probably can't return it now in case it doesn't work, because I accidentally cut part of the tab off that was keeping it closed. But I can't wait to actually try this. Because it's so small. It's absolutely perfect for your phone. And it's called like the Ceremonic. It's a mini TRS microphone for camera, camcorder, audio mixer, handy recorder, and wireless microphone transmitter. It's called the Ceremonic omnidirectional microphone or whatever. But it's supposed to be really, really good. And if I can get it on here, this is going to be going onto my phone. That way, when I have to use my phone for recording, it doesn't sound like I'm really far away because the audio is kind of crap on there. But I will put that together later. And I will put this to the side. Now this next stuff that I got, this is actually like stuff that's supposed to be really, really good for your teeth. Like I finally invested in some bamboo toothbrushes. This was a 10-pack, and it was only about $9. So I almost got some from another site, but I saw that this was actually like $10 cheaper, and they are supposed to have charcoal infused or whatever bristles on them, so that is really exciting. It's charcoal bamboo toothbrush. It's 100% biodegradable, smooth handle edges, charcoal infused bristles, heat treated handle, BPA free nylon, cruelty free, eco friendly, and vegan friendly. And like I said, only about $9, so really, really inexpensive, and way better for the environment than the more expensive ones that you get from Walmart. So I'm trying to use less plastic and stuff, so now I can finally just throw the other toothbrush that I've been using away, the plastic one that the dentist gives you, And it comes in little packs like these, so you don't have to worry about, like, them getting dirty before you even get to use them. But yeah, cannot wait to try these out. So that was provides freshness and effective stain removal, works best when used with our charcoal toothpaste or activated charcoal teeth whitening powder. Ooh! And I didn't even see this. 20% off your next order if you scan the QR code. That is awesome. Now this is some Biore stuff that I got. It's supposed to be like an acne wash for oily and acne prone skin. It absorbs oil and clears breakouts. Hopefully this doesn't dry my skin out. Like, my sister had some Biore stuff. Used to have something like this, but I think it had dried my skin out, but we're gonna try it again. So, it's that. And the next thing we have is this toothpaste. Charcoal toothpaste that I was actually recommended. Not like solely recommended like, hey, this person try this, but this person was explaining in a video like how they make their teeth so white, and I was like, you know what, I'm finally gonna give charcoal a try. I had my doubts, but we're gonna give it a try. And it's from Twin Lotus. I have my ring light up there. I have it tied up on a screw that's holding part of the thing together. And yeah, because the way my desk is, I can't put it on a tripod in there unless I get like one of those ones where you can actually like bend the legs and do that. But right now it's working pretty well, so I've just been keeping it right there. But this is activated charcoal teeth whitening powder. You don't use this as much as you use the toothpaste, and this is actually also some stuff that person recommended in their video, but it's not the same brand because I clicked their link to that brand on Amazon and it said it was unavailable, so I looked for the next best cheap thing, and it was, however you pronounce that, Buelli. But yeah, it's supposed to be really, really good for your teeth, and that was it. So we got activated charcoal teeth whitening powder, some toothpaste, this facial cleanser, also charcoal, these bamboo toothbrushes, this little this tiny little ceramic mic for like really any device, but I would use it for my phone, and the big guy. I cannot wait to try all this stuff out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will leave, like I said in the beginning, I will leave all the links down to everything that I have here in the description below so you can get it for yourself if you'd like to try it. And I will see you guys next time I make another video, which I don't know, I honestly don't know when that'll be. I'm going to try to make another one this week, but I don't know when it'll be up. But I'll see you guys next time I upload a video. Bye!